I just had something called chicken lollipops dropped off at my store. Obviously, I ordered an excessive amount. I don't know what a chicken lollipop is, but I can't wait to find out. These look so good. Oh, I can't wait to try these. We'll see how spicy they are. I'm actually drooling at how good this sauce smells. I'm so curious if it's gonna be spicy. Yep, it's got some kick, but it's not too crazy. This is a chicken lollipop. We're gonna see how this goes. Do a little dippy dip. There's nothing. Oh man, that is so good. It's got some heat and incredible flavor, so much flavor. Oh, I would totally order these again. I hope I don't get sick though. These are so good, and I love that he put tinfoil on them and called them lollipops. Huge fan. Chicken lollipops for the win. I'm gonna eat one whole pan of these right now. The heat catches up to you from the sauce, but it tastes so good. Taking almost this whole thing down in about 2 minutes. Cheers.